Hey guys, welcome back. I know we've been there all too often, and maybe more often than some of the others, right? When you're ready to buy your BMW, you want to make sure that you buy something that's not going to be a piece of junk, for one, something that you're going to have a great ownership experience on, something that's fun, right? You got to get some power out of it, if depending on which BMW that you buy. You want to have all those pieces rolled up into one, so that way you're just going to have a fun time, period. So in this video, I'm going to show you my method that I've done since I bought my first BMW over the 5 years ago. Now, I bought a 2008 BMW 335i with 92,000 miles 5 years ago. That was a high mileage car, and of course, at a time period when a lot of people, a lot of hype as far as N54 goes. Well, at 156,000 miles right now, I have to say this car has been great to own. Yeah, it's had some stuff pop up, but I've done all the repairs on this car right here on this channel. So of course you can check out my DIY playlist. There's a lot of other things outside of DIYs that I've either done or looked further into and shared off to you guys on this channel, as far as, you know, things that do go wrong in this car, and some preventative maintenance is definitely going to be key. And I've been doing a lot of preventative maintenance. My ownership experience has been great, and I want to share that philosophy as far as what I looked for when I got this car over 5 years ago. So we're going to go ahead and roll with that video right now.
So the first thing that you're going to want to do, and this is what I use. So I use cars.com. You can use the mobile app, or you can just go to cars.com on your internet browser. But you know, this is where you're going to hone in on which BMW that you want. So let's say we want to do pre-LCI, right? 2007, 2008, 335i. So 26 cars, you know, came up. So here's where you're going through. So that's a base model again, hint the wheels, base model, and then, oh, here's a sport package one, you know, 10 grand, not too bad, 84,000 miles. It's all right deal, right? So this is what you want to further look into. Like, all right, you know, you may be into silver. All right, let's check around. Looks good from the pictures. Let's look at the interior. Oh, no. No, gray interior is just terrible. I think that's the worst color ever. All right, so you're like, you know what? Let me go try a different car. Let's look at like the F30. All right, maybe you want the newer body style as far as on a BMW 335i. So we'll go do 2015, and then go to 2012. Do the search results, hit apply, and we're gonna get down and look what's out there. So just kind of checking it out. Got one local to me at Toy Barn. You know, some as far as pre-certified, some sport package, M Sport package. Oh, here's a white one, 20,000, pretty good deal, 2013. It's definitely M Sport. So you got the M Sport there. If you're looking for, of course, for the four-door, you know, 335i, great interior. And then once you're done with that, we'll go to the next step. Once you find the car that you need to find. Once you've landed on the BMW that you want to get and you looked at everything else, a pre-purchase inspection definitely needs to be done. This is going to check for any oil leaks, any kind of cautionary items, things that are doing well on that BMW that you're looking for, and it's going to spot any kind of other tests that they need to run or any other issues that you may come across. This is going to be your buying power to ensure you don't buy a junk car. Now, next up after the pre-purchase inspection is you want to check over the previous maintenance and just to see what's coming due. This will help you negotiate the price of your BMW that you want to buy. Next is an easy one, and it's checking the body condition of the BMW, meaning how well has the paint been maintained? Are there any cracks, dings, dents, all the simple stuff. This actually does do a great job to show you how well it was maintained previously. You know, at the end of the day, having a well-maintained BMW when you purchase it and being able to drive it home and drive it every single day is the make it or break it as far as a great ownership experience when you have a BMW. That's the biggest point as far as I always try to instill in you guys. Have fun with your BMW, take care of it, of course, and it will take care of you.
You know, when you're ready to buy your first BMW or yet another BMW, making sure the big things are checked off, right? The pre-purchase inspection if you're not getting a warranty, right? It's a little bit different if you're going down the warranty route, because you have a kind of a safety net. If something goes wrong, you can take it back and get the warranty. Buying a used BMW with no pre-purchase inspection is a bad idea. Please get a pre-purchase inspection Do not go off of their maintenance sheet. Do not go off of Carfax. All those things are helpful. They're not a complete waste, but you need to do a full, complete diagnostic mechanical review that a pre-purchase inspection will do. That is truly going to be key to a great ownership experience, and of course save you money in the long run, just so you don't buy a BMW that has been neglected all this time. BMWs are truly great cars, but you have to find one that has been taken care of, so that way your experience is great as well. I think that's the biggest message on this video, is that they get a bad hype, right? As far as, money pits, or, break my wallet, whatever you want to call it for these cars. Doing the repairs yourself, getting the parts sourced from, an online retailer that has great pricing, lifetime replacement guarantee, like FCP Euro, stuff like that is going to be, the game changer when you're ready to do, some repairs on your BMW. You don't have to take it to the dealer. You don't have to take it to an indie shop. A lot of these repairs are pretty simple to do. You just have to follow the step-by-step as far as user guides to do that, and having some of the right tools, that helps. The majority of the pricing for repairs on BMWs is labor costs, not so much the part itself, right? You're going to spend $800 to replace a $30 part. It's just how it is. Hopefully my guide helped you guys as far as drilling down to getting that BMW and what to look out for and the best way to buy one. That's the philosophy I've had and I've done all along. Appreciate you stopping in today. Please be sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And catch you next time. See ya.